looking for a new sexy going out eye look, I just created this cat eye, and it's not as hard as you think, I promise. It's not doing too much, but it'll definitely get people's attention. My third time filming, you guys. I try to do this really crazy eye look. I hate it. It's gonna have to be another day. I'm gonna do something else dramatic instead. My favorite black eyebrow gel from Kosas. It's such a good like ashy gray black shade. Brush this up through my brows, wipe around the edges, carving out my brows with Natasha Denona concealer. I will always be a carved out brow girl. It makes the biggest difference to me. Covering the whole lid per usual. Taking my Patrick Ta palette, mixing these two light shades, and I'm gonna set the inner half of my eye. The lightest cool tone brown shade, starting at the outer edge and blending up into my crease. If the quality looks different, it's because I'm filming with the back camera today. Very strange for me. I can't see like what I'm filming. Please let me know if you like this setup or my regular one more. Your girl's just trying out new things. I'm only blending it about halfway in my crease. Reinforce that bright shade. I'm gonna draw a wing with my Rare Beauty eyeliner. Hopefully you guys can see this. I have to be like looking in the mirror. I'm gonna line it up with my bottom lower lash line. Flick a line. Draw it to the bottom. A thin line across the whole eye. Slay. Taking a little blending brush in a dark brown shade. Just gonna go right over top of that. Or at the base of where I want the smokiness at. And I'm gonna take an angled brush and blend it upwards. Just soften it, but still have that depth in there. Take a Q-tip and sharpen up that wing. What you know about Snatch, bitch. My House Labs mascara, one of my faves. I just glued 2 14s of these lash clusters from Amazon. It's on this eye, and I feel like it's subtle, but it makes such a difference with like the cat eye effect. Usually I do a 16 then a 14, but I want the wing to like really show today. Finish off the eyes after I do my skin. I'm gonna use my Merit Great Skin Combo. I've been obsessed with this, using it in like literally every video. Your makeup just lays so nicely on top of it. I've never had a problem with pilling. Moisturizer now. I'm really liking how the eyes look with the skin, so I'm gonna keep it pretty minimal. The Kosas BB Burst. It evens out my skin tone without like covering everything up. This is perfect, exactly what I was looking for. Do a little bit of concealer on my blemishes. Mario Skin Enhancer. This is my fave for when I want a natural bronze because it doesn't add too much coverage. I use this on bare skin all the time and it looks just as good. Always tap all my products on. Taking the bronzer and blending it into my eyebrow right here. I feel like it makes it look so much more natural. This is House Labs Glossy Hibiscus, right on the apple of my cheeks. Like this shade is so flattering on me. I put my blush like everywhere, okay? Little concealer time. I love sharpening out my wing out here. It just makes it look so much crispier. Blend it with the fluffy brush. I always blend out my concealer last so it doesn't crease a whole lot. We are bright now. Gonna set with the Puff and the Makeup by Mario setting powder. Just right under my eyes so we don't have a creasing issue. And then right in between my brows because I don't like when it's shiny there. Just lightly with the brush everywhere else. My favorite bronzer is the YSL one. The packaging's so luxurious and the quality of the product matches. A little bit more House Labs blush. I'm just picking it up on a brush and lightly tapping over. There's not any lifting when you do it with this method. Taking that first cool brown shade and just dragging this all along under my lash line. It's like the base for this. Now this is the hardest part. I draw a line in the inner half of my eye first, like this. Take it straight in. You connect to the top. My biggest makeup ick is when people do their inner corners downwards. Unless your inner corner is shaped like that, I just don't think it flatters anyone. And I like an eyeliner with this super pointy tip, like the Rare Beauty one. Boom, she's sexy. Then take a black shadow and blend it on the outer edge, connecting the wing and lash line together. Leave it like this or line your waterline. I usually do black, but I want to try this gray Urban Decay shade in there. It's definitely a little bit softer than black. This is the shade Cool Kyo, and I think this is gonna be my new like waterline color. Endless Cacao Makeup Forever has been my fave recently. Such a good lip contour shade. Then I'm gonna take my blush from earlier, tap that in like the center of the lip, and then blend it into the liner. I feel like it's such a fire lip combo. I love the same mascara for bottom lashes. It coats them so easily. And if you really wanna take it there, white shimmer shade, this is from I'm gonna put it around the inner corner, which may seem weird, but it doesn't like cover up the liner we did, and it makes it pop a little bit. That with the Makeup by Mario setting spray. And we're ready to steal someone's soul for real. I feel like this eye look is just classic, sexy staple. The skin looks so good today. I don't know what I did. I'm obsessed with this, I can't lie. I feel so hot. Baddies that I know are gonna comment saying they can't do eyeliner. I believe in you, you got this. Anyways, love ya.